the other side of the
I know,
building,
I just
too.
saw.
Over there?
California. A series of powerful atmospheric river storms has unleashed widespread destruction across the state, as relentless rainfall since December 20th has triggered flash floods, mudslides, and critical infrastructure failures in both northern and central regions.
Right here off of Parsons and Bocelli in Reading, we got this little thing happening.
By the morning of December 22nd, nearly all of California's 40 million residents were under flood watches issued by the National Weather Service, with rainfall totals reaching between 3 and 6 inches in several northern areas, overwhelming storm drains and washing out roads. In Reading, conditions escalated rapidly on the evening of December 21st, when a flash flood emergency was declared around 5 p.m. after torrential rain submerged low-lying neighborhoods and commercial districts throughout the city. Major intersections such as West Side Road and El Reno Lane became impassable as floodwaters rose, eroding bridges and culverts while stranding vehicles and residents amid fast-moving currents.
This is right below my home. Thank God I'm up on a hill.
The flood warning remained active until 10:45 p.m., during which time clogged sewer systems backed up into homes and businesses, compounding damage and driving property losses estimated in the millions of dollars. Elsewhere, the Yuba River and nearby waterways surged beyond their banks, late on December 21st, inundating farmland and accelerating soil erosion, particularly in areas scarred by previous wildfires.
Go!
Unbelievable.
Whoa!
Just stay straight.
Yeah, I am.
Look straight ahead. It's pushing us.
Debris flows buried rural roads and cut off isolated communities, halting deliveries of food, fuel, and medical supplies as emergency crews struggled to reach affected residents.
Did we just become a...
In the Sierra Nevada, inflows into Lake Oroville surged to roughly 67,000 cubic feet per second by December 22nd morning, placing significant strain on dam infrastructure and prompting emergency water releases downstream. Those releases contributed to channel breaches and weakened levees, raising alarms about downstream flooding and exposing long-standing vulnerabilities in aging flood control systems. Power outages spread rapidly as high winds gusting up to 70 miles per hour on December 21st toppled trees and utility poles across the Bay Area and Central Valley. By 8 a.m. on December 22nd, thousands of customers in Shasta and Butte counties remained without electricity, disrupting traffic signals, water pumps, and other essential public services.
Okay. Chill out.
Oh shit, this is look, the sidewalk's right there. It's up here.
Utility providers estimate that saturated soils and repeated tree falls have caused more than $50 million in damage to electrical infrastructure across Northern California alone. Mudslides and landslides have devastated hillside communities, especially within burn scar zones, left by fires such as Eaton and Palisades, where loose soil gave way under intense rainfall.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, it's trying to freeze too? No.
Don't do it.
Debris flows blocked major transportation routes, including sections of Interstate 80 in the Sierra Nevada, forcing closures that stranded motorists and delayed commercial shipments.
Oh my God. Yeah,
Along coastal mountain ranges, rockfalls and collapsing slopes compromised cliffside roads, accelerating erosion and threatening the stability of nearby homes and infrastructure. Economic losses are mounting quickly, as flooded farmland across the Central Valley destroys crops and farming equipment, potentially costing the agricultural sector hundreds of millions of dollars. Urban centers, including Los Angeles and San Francisco, have seen businesses shut down due to water intrusion, spoiled inventory, and transportation disruptions, rippling through supply chains.
He survived, but it's pretty bad. We're a little bit nervous about even trying to go over with a big hole.
Air travel has also been affected, with delays reported at major airports such as SFO and LAX since the evening of December 21st, adding further strain to statewide commerce. Critical infrastructure remains at risk as a second atmospheric river pushes southward on December 22nd, placing additional stress on aging levees and stormwater systems. In cities like Chico and Susanville, overwhelmed drainage networks have failed, allowing contaminated runoff to back up into streets and worsen environmental damage. Forecasts warn that Southern California could receive 4 to 12 inches of rain by Christmas, with Los Angeles potentially seeing more than 7 inches over 5 days. Burn scar areas may receive up to 15 inches of rainfall, dramatically increasing the risk of debris flows, flash flooding, and further destruction in vulnerable neighborhoods. While recovery efforts have begun in northern regions as waters slowly recede, damage assessments reveal extensive losses to homes, roads, and public facilities. State agencies now estimate potential statewide costs in the billions, fueling criticism over inadequate maintenance of levees and drainage systems despite prior budget funding. With flood warnings extending through December 26th, officials warn that California's strained infrastructure and economy may face even greater challenges before the storms finally subside. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.